Welcome to post-game press conference. We are joined by Dominic Coach Renzi Bahar, and best player of the game, Joshua Mizon. Coach Renzi, nabanggit nyo, matagal yung hinintay yung ganitong pagkakataon para sa Northwood. And in this must-win game, yung effort hindi na lang nanggaling sa key players, but also from your bench. Gaano kahalaga yung ganung depth and contribution as you move forward?
Yes, no, before we would like to thank the Lord for this game. So, yun lang, kagaya na nabanggit mo nga is, sabi nga ni Coach Bon, sa team is, saluhin namin lagi ng dalawang kamay yung binibigay na panalo para sa amin. Kasi for the longest time, this is, I think, na hopefully maka-enter kami for number 1 or number 2 spot after this elimination. So, yun lang, yesterday, in our practice, the coaches, especially Coach Bonnie, reminding the team that we need to finish strong on the elimination round. Plus, syempre, the players coming off the bench, kagaya ng nabanggit ko kanina sa interview, is that we need them going to the playoffs because yung contributions nila going to the playoffs is very important. Especially today's game, we have a lot of the bench players that step up, like Alain Binalani, okay, Bill Navarro. So yun lang, we need those guys.
Thank you, Coach. Joshua, in a must-win game for your team, you delivered 21 points, 5 assists, and an efficient 7 out of 11 shooting. How were you able to step up under the pressure and lead your team to this crucial victory?
Just wanted to come out and finish strong. We've been working hard all year, and we didn't want to have a letdown coming in today and going into the playoffs. So just wanted to bring the intensity on defense, and then go out and finish strong today, and we did that. So happy with the results, and we're just going to try and take that into the playoffs.
We now open the floor for questions from our friends from the press.
Joshua, congratulations. You guys finished the eliminations at 9-3, but there's still a lot of uncertainties whether you get the top 2 or you're going to play a best of 3. But the way you guys played throughout the eliminations, does the incentive for a best of 3 doesn't matter considering how you played throughout the eliminations?
We want to put ourselves in the best position we can, and I think all we could do today was control what we can control, and that was winning today's game and finishing strong. So I think we gave ourselves our chance to finish top 2, and overall just kind of stamp our season, and 9 wins is a lot of wins for us, and we're hungry. We're a hungry team, young team, and we're trying to build over here. So we're just happy to be here, and try to, like I said, take that into the playoffs.
Coach, with the way yung labanan sa playoffs, kasi there is a chance na baka yung San Miguel is makalaban ninyo. Although marami pa pwedeng mangyari. But ano masabi mo sa possibility na yun na you might face the reigning champions and even the likes of Magnolia and Ray Ginebra, Ray Rachel kung hindi papalaran yung mga teams na yun?
Right now, siguro after nakahanda naman kami whatever challenge that we encounter during the playoffs. So actually, we will talk about it already, but yun nga, tinapos lang namin talaga yung final game namin sa elimination. Whatever happens, whatever the opponent that we will play in the playoffs, we're ready to play. And these players, they're ready to play, and they're ready to accept the challenge. So hopefully, masustain namin itong magandang nilalaro namin. Then kahit sino yung makakalaro namin sa playoffs, we're just ready for that.
Joshua, same question about the possibility that you might face maybe San Miguel or the Magnolias of these leagues.
It's the playoffs. I think that's what the playoffs are for. It was never going to be easy. I think that was what the season was for us, of trying to build every game and get better every game and take that, every step of the way with us to now. So I think, we had a lot of tests in the season, especially late in the season, those games that we dropped. But, we were always going to have to play somebody tough in the playoffs. So I think we just have to step our game up and, bring it the way we've been bringing it all year.
Yeah, let's talk about your offense tonight. I think past few games, your percentage wasn't quite good as in the earlier games. Just about bouncing back from that.
I mean, just be aggressive. I mean, those games out the window, short-term memory. I forgot about those games. I moved on to today. You know, can't control any of that. Got to move on, and you know, I don't worry about it. I just stick to what I've been doing. Stick to the hard work I put in, and believe in myself. So just got to keep going out there, keep attacking, being aggressive, and believe that the shots won't fall.
Just on the quarterfinals, would there be some sort of a chip on the shoulder? The team with that kind of mindset, considering Northport surprised everyone being a top seed and coming up 2 straight.
I mean, and we definitely want to prove that we deserve to be here at this point. That we, you know, it wasn't just no luck, but I think that we've been proving all year that we deserve to be here and that we've been playing hard. So hopefully, like I said, we take every one of those challenges that we have late in the season where, you know, we didn't do so well and we challenge ourselves to be better. And, you know, we're going to have a tough challenge in the playoffs no matter who we face, so we just have to bring it. That's the mentality that we got to play with.
Okay, that wraps up our press conference. Congratulations. Thank you, Nancy and Joseph.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.